my wife, Mary, and I would like to thank Tom Craig Remodeling for the excellent service and craftsmanship in completing the repairs of our home.
The professionalism shown by the both of you, as well as all of your employees, throughout this entire process was exemplary.
Thank you for walking us through every step of this process and explaining the issues in a clear manner that even those of us with no construction background were able to understand.
We are extremely pleased with the final outcome and will gladly recommend your services to others.
In the end, I believe there was a relationship based on trust between my family and your employees. While we are happy to see the project end,
it is also somewhat somber knowing it is over since a relationship had been developed.
There are not very many companies out there where all the employees provide such great customer service as yours have.
Thank you again for the excellent work and professionalism, and we will be sure to recommend your services to others.